Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today. It's your girl Tiffany of Tiffkneebaby TV. Welcome. I hope that this isn't your first time watching, but if it is, welcome. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and continue slaying with me in the future. Today we're going to be reviewing a twisted braided unit from braidsqueen.com. This unit looks phenomenal. I'm going to install it and tell you everything that you need to know about it. So get comfortable so you can watch me work. All right, friends, so I've been off air for a few weeks now. I have started a new home business selling hot chocolate bombs. So I have been extremely busy. I just haven't had time or the motivation, if we're being honest, in order to film. But I had to get on here and come and show you guys this banger because it's beautiful. Here's what she looks like up close. This is a cornrow unit. These knots are bleached. This unit does come with baby hairs, which I will note feel very coarse. They are definitely a lot thicker and almost synthetic feeling than some of the other baby hairs that I've had. This is on a 13x5 frontal, so you did get plenty of parting space there. There are two temple combs, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And they've also given us a pre-sewn elastic band to help with security. The twists are very neat and uniform, and I'm hoping that you can see that, but there are actually tracks on the back of this that are twisted into the twist, so it's not crocheted onto the cap as we've seen from some other companies. Another thing to note, this says made in Bangladesh, which means this is not an African braided wig. So if you're looking to support an African braiding hair company, this is not going to meet that standard. So far so good though. I'm going to go ahead and spray the inside of this cap with my even tinted lace spray. I'm using the color light warm brown. Scalpage. Alright sis, so since we last chatted, we've upgraded from our blasting freeze spray and got to be gel combination. Now I am currently using this melting spray from the wig dealer. I purchased this on Facebook. It came up on one of those Facebook ads and I was super skeptical because we all know that buying things on Facebook ads is a definite gamble. But I watched a lot of videos, I watched a lot of reviews, and I was really interested in trying it out, and it was only about $10 or $11 a bottle. So I went ahead and ordered it, and sis, total game changer. This stuff dries clear, it dries super fast. There's no need to tie it down. It does recommend to tie it down, but you don't have to. This is super quick out the door. I've laid wigs in like 30 seconds. You're about to see. All right, straight onto my head. This is a little bit snug. It's definitely, it's got a little bit of stretch in the back to it, but along the front of the frontal, it definitely feels a little tight. I am getting really good coverage on all sides, but I can definitely see the line of my wig cap, so I think I'm gonna skip the wig cap for this one. You also could bald cap this. Bald capping on braided wigs usually looks amazing. I just didn't have time today. The Bears are playing and I want to go downstairs and watch the game a little bit. This is melted, you guys. See? You see how quick? What I mean? Like, this is on. This isn't coming off. This is so fast. I didn't have to tie it down, wait for it to dry, wait for the glue to get tacky, wait for none of that, wait for nothing to turn clear. Spray and go, honey. This is, I love this spray. If you can't tell, I'm really excited about it. It's a really good spray, and for the price point, you can't beat that. I would be out the door if I didn't need to cut this lace off in these baby hairs, so yeah. All right, my team is winning, so let's see how we're looking. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 360 so that you can see what it looks like all the way around. So you get a little bit of versatility with it. The way the braids or the twists are done, you can't really put this up into a ponytail and have it lay flat. It just starts to buckle a little bit on the sides, but just so that we can see. All right, friends, so overall, this is a very nice quality braided wig. I definitely like it. I definitely recommend it. It's right at that $100 price point, so I think it's very affordable, and it's definitely worth that in terms of quality. You get pre-bleached knots, you get a nice frontal, you're getting full tracks on the back. There's no gaps, there's no spaces. This is really nicely made, and I definitely recommend that you check out Braids Queen. I'll definitely leave links down below in the description box so that you can purchase this. I also have a discount code, which is Tiffknee10, so that you can receive a little bit of coins off on your purchase. So definitely head on over and check them out. If you have any questions, you know that you can ask them down below. I'm happy to get back to you and help out in any way that I can. Make sure that you continue slaying with me, and if you could, give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. I would definitely appreciate that. I hope that you hit that subscribe button at some point. If you aren't already subscribed, do so right now. And we'll be back very soon with you for some more slayage. Thanks for watching Tiffkneebaby TV. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, friends.